we are talking about crypto. We are not building a spaceship to Mars, or we are not building something where you need. I mean, we face this as well. Where is your audited financials? Where are your projections? How is your company valued, and all of that. The beauty of crypto is your value is on the utility and adoption of your token, and nothing will stop. I mean, we are not in a traditional world where you are building a SaaS, or you're building a large enterprise product, and hence it is kind of you will have to wait. So anybody who tells you, just don't believe in it. People who say, oh, you need to have large, I mean, I know you need to have a formal valuation done. You need to bring in the big fives and auditors to come and tell you what you're valued at, but do it at a much later stage. As long as you have true utility of your platform, you have MVP, you have few customers proven, then start going to people who will believe in your story and write the checks and invest in you. And trust me, I know, I can say it very confidently that Web3 ecosystem, the whole Web3 investment fraternity, will not ask you for all those typical questions. What they will ask you is, how beautiful is your tokenomics, how strong is your token structure, how well have you planned your utilization of your tokens. Is it inflationary, deflationary token? What chain are you building it on? What is the ecosystem play? So that is what you need to focus on. Please don't get bogged down with all these traditional methods, because then you will never be able to scale. We would not have scaled to where we are if we went with I mean, obviously, like I said, we faced 50 odd rejections in the first 4 months. I mean, every person I went to said, oh, this is like, either this is too stupid, this is too big to be, too good to be true, and all of that. But you just need that one investor. So while you continue to scale and grow, if you have some revenue that is generated, some proof point that people are using your platform, it has utility, and your token will have a great future utility, you should start raising on your one of the easiest way to do is through your TPA, token purchase agreement, where you sell your tokens and then bring in one or two strategic investors, and they will lead you into into much larger rounds.